My name is Kellen Ainsworth, and I used to play hockey for Lakehead University with my business partner, Mitch Philman. Today, we run Mikel Consulting, and we just reached the $1 million milestone on the Fiverr platform. Myself and Mitch Philman wanted to start a business together, and our first iteration of the business was business plan writing on Fiverr, and we were charging $5 just to get some reviews. We did our research on what platforms we really wanted to focus on, and we saw the greatest opportunity for potential growth through Fiverr, and that's essentially how it started. Fiverr does a great job of compiling the analytics, and our first month we did about $16 on the platform or something like that. By 2021, we had made over $200,000 on the platform. So it was probably at that time that we realized we really had a true business here. It was also that time that I had retired from hockey, my partner was retiring from hockey. The definition of an entrepreneur, risk is involved, but like a lot of business owners, eventually you kind of feel a little bit more confident with your business each month and each year, and here we are today. Hiring a full-time employee, probably the most pivotal time for our company when we realized that we needed some help to start to facilitate the work that we had. Thinking that we just started this business as kind of charging $5 just to get reviews to now, I've earned over $1 million on the platform. It wouldn't have been obviously possible. We definitely are grateful for finding Fiverr and having a great working partnership with them to be able to hit this milestone now. This is a professional platform where real companies and real people are coming on there to access quality professional work. I can work on a company that's raising $10 million for a tech build out, but it's just as gratifying to walk by the local coffee shop knowing that our services have helped them start something that they've dreamed about. When you do business with someone for several years, it obviously is a result of a mutual beneficial partnership. It's cool to see that. Just think of being a freelancer the same as running a business now, because that's where the future is going.